The Quantus Trajecta is a 10 HP 4-channel envelope generator designed with polyphony in mind. We made it easy. With the turn of any knob, you can adjust all 4 envelopes simultaneously, keeping all your patterns together on the fly. If you played with our Percido oscillators, we borrowed the structure of their envelopes and added more shape control, including some wub. On the panel, let's start with the global mode switch in the middle that determines what all the knobs do. There are 3 modes: ADSR, Tremolo, and Attack Decay. When switched to ADSR mode, the 4 knobs function like a traditional 4-stage envelope generator with exponential curving for musicality. In Tremolo mode, you now have an LFO added to the envelope. The attack and release knobs function as before, but you can control how fast you want it to wobble with the rate knob. And how deep you want the wub to go with the wub knob. And in Attack Decay mode, the first knob sets the overall envelope time. The AD sets the ratio of attack versus decay within the setting on the time knob. The A curve adjusts the curve of the attack stage. And the D curve adjusts the curve of the decay stage. The length switch sets the maximum and minimum times of the envelopes. If you want to freeze the envelope in place, press the hold button. Or add a high gate to the hold input, and all the envelopes freeze at their current level. There are 4 trigger or gate inputs that are normaled from left to right, as well as 4 output jacks at the very bottom. The 4 attack, decay, sustain, and release inputs are CV controls for the 4 knobs. When CV is added to their inputs, each knob acts as an offset and sums with the CV input. Let's build a patch using Quantus Trajecta as our main envelope generator. With the Horologic Solum as our clock source, we'll send a gate to QT's input 1, then out to the Quantus Ampla VCA, which is used with the Loquelic Iteritas oscillator. We'll send another gate to the new Jam Jam and delay the trigger just a bit. Then add it to QT's input 2. That delayed trigger will then delay the envelope going into the Vert Interlegio stereo oscillator. Then we'll add a third gate to input 3, which is then sent to the decay of the Tempolegio stereo percussion module, and with QT's envelope, it will give us that open hi-hat effect. Let's add in the BIA. Time for some wubby wub effects. Change the length of the envelope to stretch out those wubs. It's even more fun when you freeze the envelope. Or send a gate sequence to the hold input to create short freeze patterns throughout your patch. For more information about Quantus Trajecta or the new Jam Jam multi-mode trigger and gate processor, visit noiseengineering.us and be the first to know about discounts and new releases when you sign up for our newsletter. We also make plugins for your DAW. Download our free Frequel plugins and check out our other Eurorack-inspired VST, AU, and AEX plugins while you're there.